Get ready to dive into an exciting demo. Today we'll be showcasing how to create dynamic questions on the fly using Chat GPT Integration. Watch as we generate questions dynamically and see how this powerful tool can streamline and enhance your processes. Get ready for an exciting demo. We're building a dynamic quiz survey where respondents can choose their topic, in this case technology. Behind the scenes, we're using the Chat GPT API to fetch 5 unique questions. The sleek design you see is fully customizable, and these questions are automatically loaded into Qualtrics. Let's dive in. The quiz feels like any regular Qualtrics survey, but with a twist. The next button stays disabled until all 5 questions are answered. We track everything: questions, options, your answers, and whether they're right or wrong, all stored in Qualtrics for deeper analysis. Here's the exciting part. Respondents can choose to end the quiz or get more questions. If they click yes, the backend API generates a fresh set, making sure no questions repeat for them, though they can for others. This loop can go on as long as they want. Let's take the quiz one more time after this. Now let's select No to end the quiz. Let's quickly run through the process again, this time for the topic Sports in Fast Forward. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to bring your next project to life or have any questions, feel free to reach out through the links in the description below. I'd love to connect and help you out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Let's build something amazing together.